Lace knitting creates an open, airy fabric with eye-catching openings and details. In order to show off your hard work, you need to block your finished lace properly so that it will lie flat and the pattern will open up. Traditionally, blocking lace involved using hundreds of pins in order to pull out the edges of your lacework and position each tiny loop and frill correctly. Blocking wires save you time by allowing you to skip the majority of the tiny pins. Instead, you will thread the blocking wires through the edge loops of your lace in order to block your lace using consistent tension. Soak your finished lace in order to completely wet the yarn. Use a basin filled with lukewarm water and allow plenty of time for soaking, usually at least 30 minutes. Very gently squeeze out any air bubbles in the lace fabric. Remove the lace from its soaking bath and set it in a sink or bathtub to drain. Make sure to avoid wringing or twisting, as the yarn is more fragile when wet and excess force may result in breakage or warping. Once the majority of the water has drained off, you can place the lace between 2 towels and gently press additional water out of your fabric. Carefully lay your lace out on a flat surface, such as a blocking board or a towel spread out on the floor. Make sure that you have chosen a place out of direct sunlight and with no other hazards, such as heating vents. Thread a lace blocking wire through the loops along the edge of your lace, leaving several inches of each end of the wire free so that you can stretch the lace later. Repeat with more wires until every loop along the edges of the lace has a wire through it. Shape your lace according to your pattern, measuring to make sure that it is spread out to the correct dimensions. You will probably create some tension on the lace by pulling the wires apart from each other to reach the desired measurements. Pin the lace blocking wires in place as you measure and stretch the lace. Allow your lace to air dry. Once it is completely dry, carefully remove the pins and blocking wires from your work. The difference in the finished fabric is astonishing. The edges of your lace will lie flat and evenly, and each eyelet and architectural detail of the fabric will be shown to its greatest advantage.
KnitPicks is passionately committed to affordable luxury knitting. We offer the highest quality knitting products designed by the pickiest and most obsessed knitters you'll ever meet. We go directly to the factory to develop our own luxurious natural fiber yarn and high-quality needles. And by doing so, we're able to offer our exclusive knitting supplies at amazingly low prices. Visit us at www.knitpicks.com to discover how affordable luxury knitting can be.